Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to link products in Shopify. So simply click on the products and go to collections. Now create collections and type the collection name here, and just after that click on the manual and save this. So now after that just we have to move to products, and now here you can see we will open this project, and here you can see how can we link products. Like I am typing the name here, A1 in collections. So simply click on save. So now go to products, now open this clothes, and now also add this product into A1 collection. So as you can see we have linked two products. So in this way you can also link many products in Shopify. So just go to collections. So here you can check we have linked two products successfully.